But today I was talking to you about important clues to follow and in order to invest wisely. Ladies, make your own money. The Women Affairs Show.
I have a better than buying.
Ládùúrú ìta ti rìn tẹ́lẹ̀.
Àti ìrìn kankan máa ń yí. Àdúgbò wa láṣẹ wa gbogbo bíbá yìí. Àdúgbò wa láṣẹ gbogbo bíbá yìí.
Àdúgbò wa láṣẹ.
Kánúgbé wa bí. Kánúgbé wa.
We are seated and we are waiting for the hunters to get ready, and the dogs to get ready as well. The hunters are undressing already, so once they're done, we'll be good to go. The hunters are getting ready.
Apá ẹ lórí ni. Alẹ́ ó mẹ́rin.
Mo ní kámẹ́rà tó dé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rí pé mo mú wọn gbó lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ máa lọ yẹ mi pẹ̀lú ìṣìmú. Ẹ máa yà mí pẹ̀lú ìṣìmú. Èmi lọ yà pẹ̀lú ìṣìmú tó sì. Ìṣìmú báyìí ní oko rá.
The hunters are getting ready, as you can see.
Bàbá ẹ sún sẹ́yìn. Ẹ ṣàní sùn.
Owó náà lọ gbẹ̀. Owó ní ọyàn tó jílẹ̀ oníkọ́mọ́fà. Lọ́gbẹ̀ gbẹ̀rí bóyá.
So as you can see, after the hunters are gathered and got ready, they have to worship Ogun, and this is them gathered, dropping their guns at a small shrine at the base of the tree. This is where they worship Ogun and pray that when we head into the forest, we don't injure ourselves, there's no casualties, and we get to, hunt down the big games. As you can see, there's a keg of palm oil there. As you can see it, they will use that. They will use salt, they will use water, they will use alcohol, cola nuts, offering the prayers to Ogun, which is the god of iron. And this is what hunters do all the time before commencing on any hunt or entering into the forest. They contribute their guns and pray for a successful hunt. As you can see, the hunters are leading the way, and I'm following right through behind. After a long section walking around in the forest, the hunters are just resting now and thinking of the next place to go, maybe the next place to enter and probably, get some games. This the direction they busted out of from, and they're heading in this direction. As you can see, another person is busting out from this forest, so we're heading in this direction. As you can see, my hand, I'm pointing it right now. Look at so they are saying we will be going towards that direction, and this is the forest I was coming out of. So this is the direction the hunter said we are going. Hopefully, in this direction, we'll be finding big games there. Hopefully, as you can see, everybody is seated. As you can see, it's calling the herders to come around to know the next line of action.
What are they?
different part of the bush, or the other part of the forest has seen some game. That's what the chanting is for. As you can see. So here is an antelope that's already been killed. As you can see, it's not really big, but a game is a game. It's still a small antelope. As you can see, the hunter has crawled. Try and pass it. That's what we are doing right now. Right now I'm basically crawling, so I can't get out because this place is, it's so bushy. Now I'm up. I literally had to crawl back there. Impossible. So right now we're just trying to chill. As you can see, me and my hunter, we've been moving around in the forest for a long period of time, and we have had some gunshots and some animals have been killed. Like I showed you earlier on, I have shown you the duiker that's already been killed. So, and hopefully we'll get to kill more animals as the hunting goes on for the day. This is day 2 in the tropical rainforest of Abeokuta, and we are hunting for big games. Your wild boars, your duikers, name them, your deers, your wild boars. So that's why we're here in the tropical rainforest of Abeokuta, and I'm with this hunter right here. He's the one that's been leading the way, and I have been following, as you can tell from my video. So again, we are just resting here, and soon as we'll be moving again into the forest to, in search of the big games. We are waiting for the other hunters to come around, and from there we'll mobilize again and go again. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you very much. We are chasing the white pigs, yes. Can you hear the chanting of the far away hunters in the bush? We are just waiting here strategically, hoping the wild pig comes in our direction, hoping the hunters will chase it down our direction. Can you hear the shouting of the hunters far away in the bush? And we have hunters here positioned, hoping it comes this direction. There's 2 of them. Wọ́n ní wọ́n pọ̀ bàjẹ́. So we are sitting down. We are moving through that direction again. As you can see, some people are sitting down there, over there, in the far distance. So we're just chilling, and from there we are going towards another direction in search of the games. This direction is where we're gonna be headed. So after a long hunting session, I'm just walking back to the village, and it's been a success today because we caught 2 duikers, and the boys are roasting and arranging the duikers, and I'm gonna be showing you in a short while. As you can see, I'm just strolling back into the village. It's been a stressful and long day, but it was worth it in the end because we got 2 duikers, one big one and another small one, and another small one. And I'm going there to show you, because the boys are roasting it right now, trying to get hair out of it. You understand? That is what they are doing. As you can see, the hunters gathering after a long day of hunting guinea fowls. It's not been an easy hunting session in the forest of Abeokuta here in Ogun State, Nigeria. See the hunters, as you can see, they are getting ready to go home, and some people are also chilled under this big massive tree. Look at the roots of this tree. See how it is. As you can see, hunters are all seated here, resting as well after a long session of hunting. And as you can see, these are old houses. This is what a typical mud house looks like. A typical hut. This is what it looks like up close. Can you see? It's supported with wood as well. I'm going to where the animal is being roasted. This was the animal we killed today, one of them. This is a duika and this is another duika. Like I said, these are the animals we caught today, and he's trying to get hair off it. He's trying to scrap it off and get the hair off it. Very nice. It's safe to say we just didn't come into the forest for no reason. At least we got some reward in form of 2 duikers.